everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-public ang inyong YouTube channel. Now, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Martin Official, for more tutorial videos. Alright, so we can go ahead now and start. So first is, we want to make sure that you guys will be able to public everything just to make sure na searchable siya. Once na-create kayo ng YouTube channel, kailangan may browser. Same thing, we have to log in to youtube.com sa browser. Okay, so let's just wait while it's still loading. Alright, so everyone must publish or public yung kanilang YouTube channel para again ma-monetize at madaming mag-views, especially kapag una pa lang. So now, what are we going to do is we want to make sure na dun tayo, we will be landed to our official account sa YouTube. Okay, so i-click lang natin yung ginawa natin after natin mag-create ng bagong YouTube channel. So, ang una nyo gagawin is, for me, ipapakita ko sa inyo, mag-upload muna ako ng first video here on my YouTube channel, na kakagawa pa lang din, para alam natin, no? I-click ko lang yung icon ng camera on top. It's still loading. So, you will be routed to another video, how to do it. Kasi since this is just your first time to upload video. So, ang gagawin nyo is, i-exit nyo lang yan, and then, click anywhere or beside that, then select files. Okay, select files po tayo. Piliin natin kung ano yung i-upload natin. Go to your library or your gallery. Okay, so, click lang natin yan. Yung isa sa mga videos dyan. Okay, still uploading. Okay, this time, this is very, very important, guys, for you to put details on it. Especially yung title, whenever, guys, you will create a video or content that you will upload on YouTube, kailangan title pa lang makatch na yung attention ng mga viewers natin. Okay? So this time, mag-iisip lang ako ng any title about this video that I am going to upload. And we want to make sure, guys, na attach doon sa title ng inyong YouTube channel yung name ng inyong YouTube channel. Plus, the description itself would describe yung YouTube channel niyo rin po. Okay? This time is, yung sa akin is Yanyan. Okay? Yan yung official channel ko, Yanyan ISO. Okay? So, make sure na i-type natin siya sa description, pati sa title. Okay? Next, click kung anong audience, kung if it's made for kids or not. Very important din. Then, click add. Okay, ito guys, yung visibility, make sure na naka-public. Okay, let's just wait. Now, we have to close it because it's already uploaded. Okay, there you go. Now, i-click natin yung pinaka-video mismo para ma-edit natin siya, yung the one with color yellow and pink. Okay, this is very important, guys. Okay, regarding as well the permission kung sino yung makakapag-watch ng channel nyo, at ikaw lang din yung makakapag-edit niyan. Now, once we are on the video part, makikita nyo yung visibility na nakapublic na siya. So, click nyo lang yung pencil sign. Below that, you will see the tag, the add tag. Ito yung pinaka-importante, guys, no, na dapat na malaman nyo. No, yung about sa add tag. Alright, dapat ilagay na dyan yung YouTube channel nyo. So, say for example, Yanyan ISO, and then click on enter. Okay? Pag kinlik nyo yung enter, mag-a-appear na add na yung tag. Then, let's say you will be able to think any other words pa associated with your content. So, click enter again. And then, if you want to add more, so after that, you save it. Okay? So, changes has been made. So, now, bumalik tayo doon sa mismong channel nyo. So, para malaman natin no? Kung paano natin makikita at kung masa-search ba talaga. Okay, so tingnan natin. Let's go back to the main channel. So ngayon, pinapakita ko naman kung paano nyo isi-save yung thumbnail para maging appealing sa mga tao, no? Yung content mo at i-click nila yan at panoorin. Let's go back to the main channel. Skip lang natin yan. Okay. So, as you can see, uploaded na yung video. Okay. So, search natin ngayon yung name using different account. So, yan ISO is the account. Okay. So, as you can see, nag-appear na siya, guys. So, that means it's viewable, it's public. Okay? So, that's how you do it. It's just very easy to do. And we want to make sure that we do this every video that we are going to upload, guys, para na-make sure natin na viewable siya. At magkakaroon tayo ng maraming followers or subscribers on our YouTube channel.